Pivoting to me means taking all the progress, everything you've done in a project or some kind of path that you've taken, but then turning it into a completely different direction. So you don't reset, you don't leave anything out that you've already gotten, but you decide to critically analyze where you are now and then go on a completely different path. For the longest time, I really thought I was going to be a software engineer, and I really thought that that's where my passions were, and that's what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. By coming into McMaster Engineering and taking different courses, joining different clubs like the McMaster Formula Electric team, really ignited something within me that made me want to go into mechanical engineering. And so I've never looked back from first year when that was my first choice. That's what I picked in mechanical. And yeah, so I kind of pivoted to start my engineering degree, and that's what McMaster Engineering has taught me.